welcome back to the My Crown of Curls YouTube channel. Today, as you guys can see from the title of this video, I am telling you guys my holy grail deep conditioners for 2018, and the two of them have never been featured on my channel before. Okay, I think one has, when I did the BODYWORKS review. Okay, I already said the name so you guys know what I'll be talking about. So the very first one is by BODYWORKS, and it is the split end repair mask. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, so let me turn on my brightness a little bit so you guys can see. This is it right here. And the second one is the APHOGEE CURLIFIC texture treatments. All right, so let's start with this one. So if you guys have been watching my channel throughout this year, you guys will know that the deep conditioner that I absolutely hated was from this line. I have never roasted a deep conditioner as much as I roasted the deep conditioner by BODYWORKS, and that was the Jojoba Manoi one. That was absolute garbage, absolute trash. And I really wasn't about trying another deep conditioner by BODYWORKS, but turns out that I did. And it was this one, and this one is everything that I expected the other one to be and more. When I'm talking about slip, it has amazing slip. It does this thing where it's kind of foamy, and it helps me to detangle my hair. It makes my hair so soft and nice. And even though it says that you should probably leave this in for, I think, 45 minutes, in 15 minutes my hair feels good as new. Some of the ingredients that you can find in here are water, cetyl alcohol. Those are obviously coconut derived. There's sweet almond oil, which my hair loves. There's coconut oil, aloe vera leaf juice, castor oil. Some really great ingredients are found in this, and it really goes to show, you know, how sometimes brands have hits and misses, because this stuff is so good. I wish I could have gotten this in St. Vincent, but I probably have to order this. So I'm going to stock up on this. And just to tell you guys how great this is, I have tried it on so many different hair textures in my natural hair salon. And one of the girls who came in, her hair was a mess. An absolute mess. I couldn't even detangle. I couldn't even put her hair into sections. So what I did, I just put it all over her hair. I put what is that, a plastic cap on her head, and then I let her sit under the dryer for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I kid you not, her curls just like, it just melted. This is amazing, 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 amazing. I love it. It's done. I'm sad. But yeah, get you this in 2019. This deep conditioner is definitely going over into the new year with me. And now for this one. Now my friend Shadell in St. Lucia has been telling me to try this for forever, and I finally did this year. This is actually a brand new container. I can't really tell you the ingredients because APHOGEE is like top secret with their ingredients. For example, it's just saying here that they have a y'all, I can't pronounce this thing, some complex protein stuff. There's absolutely not even one ingredient here, but I trust APHOGEE because when my hair is breaking, APHOGEE stops that breakage in its tracks. And I probably should do an up-to-date intense protein treatment. I just haven't gotten around to buying one as yet because it's so expensive on the ground, but I'm going to definitely be ordering it, okay? So look out for an updated review of that. The review that I did was like so long ago, and it's so dated. It needs to be updated. What I love about this is when I don't have enough time, all I have to do is put this in my hair for 5 minutes, and it literally says 5 minutes behind hair, even though sometimes I leave it on for much longer. But yeah, I just put it in my hair. It's easy to detangle my hair. When I come out of the shower, my hair feels strengthened, and I have less breakage immediately. This is such a great deep conditioner, and both of these are affordable. They are not super expensive. They're not what I would consider high-end deep conditioners, but they work. So these are my Holy Grail deep conditioners. Guys, I found the ingredients. I found the ingredients. Look at that. The ingredients are below here. Right? So, okay. So some of the things in here are shea butter, pumpkin seed oil. It has cones in it. It actually has dimethicone in there. There is hydrolyzed quinoa, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, lactic acid, amino acids, keratin, and so on. That's very strange. I don't know how I know how I missed this. This was at the bottom of the container. I finished a whole jar and I never even saw this. What? Anyway, guys, this is super amazing. This one as well. So these are two amazing deep conditioners that you guys definitely should give a shot. I believe on Amazon they are less than $15 US, probably 10. So definitely check them out. Let me know what you guys think about them. Leave them in the comment sections down below. All right? And make sure that you come back on Sunday because I'll have a new video up. All right? So bye. Oh, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, share it with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Okay, I'm out.